Hello and welcome to A VO's Journey. My name is Anthony Pica. This show is all about helping the new and upcoming voiceover artists grow their business, sidestep all the crazy things that I seem to step on. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd of November here in Virginia. What a night last night, but we are back here and I'm excited to talk to you about today. I don't usually talk about doing things in my DAW through the videos, although I feel like I probably should more. So today I thought it'd be really fun. It's something that I use often, especially in the video game work that I do, as well as the character work and that is how to manipulate the pitch of your voice. Okay, and in this particular case, I use Adobe Audition. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come out here. We're going to put that down and I'm going to go here. So here you can see I have Adobe Audition up. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to record. Something in Adobe Audition, okay, just from my microphone here. All right, let's see. What should I record? In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. Okay, I'm an idiot, right? So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and just clean that up. So let's say, in a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. Okay, so this is a voiceover, and what I want to do is, let's say I want to, now of course I did it in kind of a deeper voice anyways, but what I want to do in order to change my pitch and here, and remember, you might want to change your pitch to do different things. One, you might want to raise the pitch in your voice in order to give that fun, goofy sound, or the sound of someone younger or more of a character. By the way, on a side note, I'm really actually excited to talk to you guys about this today because I do a lot of actual character work and I love it. It's tough. Character work is tough, meaning like it's strenuous work, but it's fun. However, knowing how to manipulate your voice and using your DAW to do that is very key, I think, to being successful, especially as most of us run our own home studios, right? So we've got to know more about how to do these things. And it was interesting, I posted a post the other day about learning how to add effects and background music. And it was interesting the responses I got, and this was on Twitter, from a lot of people. Awesome voice actors, but a lot of people were saying how, their job was just to record and to give to an engineer to do stuff. And that's totally cool because that's the way a big part of the industry works. But as we move forward, I think it just makes us more marketable, the more that we can do, you know what I mean, ourselves, right? And also allows us to deliver products that we wouldn't normally be able to deliver, okay? So here, what I want to do is in Adobe Audition, I'm going to go up to Effects. All right, and I'm going to go to time and pitch. All right, and after I do that, I'm going to go to pitch shifter. Okay, this thing is so much fun. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the semitones. I'm going to go ahead and raise the pitch in my voice. Let's say I'm going to raise it to 3. Okay, so let's turn it off. So this is what it sounds like without it. In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. All right, and then I'm going to turn it on, and this is what we get. In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. Okay, this is really fun, right? Let's turn it up to 5. In a world where Anthony... Okay, cool. Let's turn it up to 10. In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. All right, so I love I love the idea of being able to manipulate my voice. I do a lot of it myself, right? Because I could go, in a world where Anthony, or I could go, in a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube. Like I could start, or in a world where Anthony, I can start doing stuff myself. But what's fun is being able to manipulate it also with your DAW because there's going to be sounds that you can't make yourself. So let's go ahead and go the other way. Okay, so let's go back to what it sounds like in a world. Okay, and let's go and take it down a couple of notches. This is crazy. In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice. I mean, that's pretty, that's good. To me, that's really cool, right? And then in a world where Anthony helps
people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
All right, so you've got a definite, I mean, you go all the way down, it gets really...
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
Of course, you're going to, as you go higher or lower, you're going to get kind of a little bit more difficult to hear exactly what they're saying. But if you ever wondered how people make that happen, do you know what I mean? Then this is a great way to change that voice. So let's say I go here, all right, and, I've got...
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
All right, so I've taken that and I've done that. And now let's just say for fun, because we're messing around, we want to add some reverb. Okay, there's a couple of different things you can do. You can come up here and just go to reverb. You can look at studio reverb, okay? And you can actually, there's a bunch of presets in here, and you kind of mess around with it.
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
Cool, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. All right, so I've added some...
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
All right, and now what I want to do is for the last thing, I'm going to give it some more body, some more fullness. So I'm going to come to amplitude and compression, multi-band compressor, and I'm actually going to use this compressor called Pop Master, which is under the effects. So here we go.
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
All right, so as you can see, we get a nice full sound, and, that is...
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
All right, well, there you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this. It's a very simple, easy technique to give a cool voiceover, but this is, I did the voiceover, as you saw me do, and now I've turned it into something really cool that you could sell. You know what I mean? You could sell this voiceover. And yes, I did In a World Where Anthony. I did that, but most of us can do that. But being able to use my DAW and knowing those three different things with the pitch shifter, with the background, the room ambiance with the studio reverb, and then the pop master on a multi-band compressor, I was able to take this.
In a world where Anthony helps people on YouTube learn how to change their voice.
Gives it a pretty wicked sound, right? All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Also, if you haven't done so, things like this and many other things we talk about every single week in a VO's Journey Elite Academy. There'll be a link below. We're actually offering a special right now, half off the first month. Or you can go to vosjourney.com to check that out. So thank you guys so much. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. I will talk to you later. All right, goodbye.